Alright everybody, we got a package today. Sorry about that. It's just my Pinkie Pie that we had to test it of the knockoff My Little Pony G4. My lens is a little dirty. Let me wash it. Sorry, it's disgusting on my fingers. Alright, looks like it's good. Guess what everybody? The Zeke plush just came today. Sorry it's a little mess. Gotta be careful because I don't want to show it on camera because I just don't want to be stupid or anything. But here's the package. We got the Zeke Wombat. It's not actually a plush, it's considered, but it's made of a doll or something. A small plush, it's a 6-inch or something. The original one from WTBH was sold out because I was too busy in the Washington DC vacation. But guess what? It's now here. First I need the let's try if I can open the fingers with the tape. Oh yeah, yes. There we go. I guess we don't need a knife and scissors, although it's dangerous and I don't want to show it on camera. Alright, so gotta be careful with the address. But here's the box. Huh. Alright, I'm not gonna show this because wait. This is like wait, I thought it was a mail. It's a receive. Sorry my lenses are a little dirty, but we will keep that for now on. And here's the present. Zeke Wombat. It's owned by Bayesian Dolls. Zeke Wombat. Well, if it's considered like netting, let's see what it is. Yep, it is. Oh, forgot this. Here's snout. This is snout. And here it is. Here's Zeke Wombat. I'm sorry this is a little bad. And I guess we're not going to use Snout in this video since I don't want to lose him. Well, maybe for Snout, we'll use it on unboxing videos instead of traveling. But except for special travels like Manhattan, New Jersey, Connecticut, New York. Well, we're now in the state of New York. But here it is, guys. We got Zeke.
Hi, I'm Zeke. And today are we going to plan to go to the old parking garage elevators in White Plains?
Zeke, I'm not sure we're gonna go all of the parking garages today or tomorrow. Well, we have to do other things because we have to go to somewhere. Guess what? We have now 9K videos already.
Yay, 9K videos. But are we going all parking garage today?
I'm not sure we're gonna go to the all parking garage today because I'm afraid it's going to have a rain weather tonight or later.
Yeah, I know.
But this is cute. I know it's a little bad. Well, this is kind of cute. I know I wanted the other one was $35. I think this is like $23 or $25. But hold on, let me clean my lens. It might be clean for now.
Yeah, I'm Zeke Wombat, and this is my friend Snout.
Yep. All right. Well, actually, I'm gonna remove Pinkie Pie. Sorry, Pinkie Pie. You're not in this.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Ready, Zeke?
Yes.
Hold your snout.
Yeah.
If you don't know what snout is, it's like a teddy bear. Like Elinor and Fluttershy, Zeke is here.
Yes.
But we don't know how to stand. I don't want to make a mess. But Fluttershy?
Yeah.
And Elinor. Alright, ready?
Yes.
Sorry about that. I have to remove my hot sauce. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry. I don't want to show it on camera, so. Okay, everybody. I'm not sure today we're going to go to the all parking garage elevators in White Plains, New York 2025 tour. But also, we're going to go to the Ritz-Carlton. I don't know if we're going to go there again because we went 2 times already. And I'm not sure. I'm going to One City Place, which is right next door to the City Center Mall. Because it's an apartment building, so I don't know if we won't be able to go in. But we only did the 6 City Place while Uranix is in the plush version.
Yeah.
I'm not sure we're going to go to all parking garage or 2 apartment location buildings. The Ritz-Carlton and One City Place at City Center.
Okay.
Alright everybody, that's all for our unboxing video. I don't know if we're going to bring Snout because I just don't want to lose him.
Okay, bye.
Alright, that's it. Hope you like it, and that'll be it. Alright, that's it.